got skits, selling more than all you niggas is albums. Come on, put some respect on my name.
Got a proposition for my opposition. How about you suck my dick, then go take your mama's sister? Another proposition for my other opposition. How about
Hello Slender. Hello mama. Isa mama. Buka. Yazini yapilonga wena kulesithi. Buka nje sihleli kanje couple calls. Cabanga usushiphelile. Mama, oze kufaka imali asambe ngiseviews ke ntamama. Shi number at least, shi number. Awubuka into anayenza, buka hey. Mama. Hey, eksay razo. Ngisapula. Right put.
Ngiyaphila mfethu njani?
Ngiyakubona uphethe kahle, uhamba kahle, into zakho zi right nje put. Hey monto yakho yinhle man. Noma ingcolile kuyabonakala ukuthi awusebenza. Indoda nje esebenza.
Thank you.
Manje awusho put yabona nje uphumelele kanjena put wenza kanjani mhlawumbe ukuyiphi construction company ngoba mhlawumbe uyi-owner nje wena uyabonakala ukuthi uyi-PE. Mhlawumbe put u-CTM noma uMacro lezo ezinkulu nje.
Macro and CTM are not construction companies.
Oh. Manje kahle put bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe i-CV ngayifaka nini.
CV, what qualifications do you have?
Put ngayihlanganisela nje njengentwana nje ubone nje nawe. Ngiyazama ukuthini. Bashiphisa iledo ngokubukisa isibhakabhaka put.
This is actually a nice car. It's not so bad.
Hayi put nami ngiyawuhlanganisa put njengentwana kuyontethe.
Well, nowadays you actually need a qualification for a job.
Put mina put ongifaka esimini ngigijime nayo put awukangakwazi ukwenza. Kahle into engifisa ukuyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngingafika nini nje kuleli zinga lakho nami mhlawumbe ngihambe ngeemoto ezikanje.
I just gotta work. That's all. Just work hard.
Yebo put bengibuza nje ukuthi mhlawumbe zivulwa nini ipace. Mhlawumbe CV ngayifaka.
Now you just gotta work, dog. That's it.
Put. Ngabunga kanjena pho. Bekufanele usho ukuthi awufuna hayi lento oyishoyo put. Wow, fuck off.
sipping, whipping? Shouldn't be doing that, but I'm in the sinning. Yeah, really flipping. They should have been knowing that, but they keep forgetting. Shit, I'm reaching for the stars, so I'm in here finessing and trapping, I feel like Martin. I hope I don't run out of gas, moving this cargo. I do this for my fans and my fam, not for the Bravo.